Hi fans! So today we are going to make a slime. So you'll need a container to mix the ingredients, a stick or a spatula, food coloring. I choose purple and blue. This one has sparkles in it, but you can choose whatever you want. You also need glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Now let's get started. So we have our container here. We're going to be putting glue because we're going to start. Pour the glue into the container. So we have to take out the cap. Oh my, this is so satisfying. Okay, so we're going to put this. Oh, that's okay. Now we're going to start mixing. So you don't want any. So if you don't want any white spots in the slime, like here or here, then you have to mix it well. Our color if it's still too clear, just like that. Again, so we're going to put the baking soda in. Yeah, that's it. Going to continue mixing with the baking soda. So it's actually too watery, so we're going to add more baking soda. And according to the recipe, it said we need 1 tablespoon, so I have to put half. We have to put in the contact lens solution bit by bit, mixing well after each addition until we get the right consistency. Just have to add a little more activator, the magical activator, into here. Oh, it's sticky now and super hard. Is it turning into slime? Guys, look, it's about to become slime. Because look, it's not sticking anymore. Is it acting like slime? Do you think so? Nope, still kind of sticky. So this is our final result. Fresh slime. So actually this slime's still kind of sticky, but you can wash it off. Acts like normal slime. This is so satisfying. It's so messy. See the label? The label says sparkles. That means when you use it, there'll be sparkles on your hands. So sparkly. And it's actually kind of satisfying if it sticks to your hand. Look, I made a squashed potato. Mommy, do you like my squashed potato?
Yucky. It's blue. Look at my slime.
So we have to store the slime in something like this. And ta-da! So here you have it. Your own homemade slime. I hope you had fun. Bye!